going on, guys? It's Nicole Charnel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're old subby, hey girl, how you doing? So today we're talking about my hair. As you can see in the beginning of this video, I did a little length check of my hair. So I've been growing my hair out since November of 2017. And my sides were shaved. Well, my sides and my back were completely shaved. I only had hair basically on top of my head. It was like kind of like a mohawk situation. I'll insert pictures. And I flat ironed my hair for my birthday basically, and I damaged it. So it was damaged. It was straight. So I was like, okay, I'm going to not straighten my hair anymore. And I was like, well, I'm probably going to grow my hair back out as well, because I enjoyed my shortcut. I really did like it. I think it looked really good on my face, on my frame, but I was missing my longer hair. So I decided to grow my hair out at that point, and here we are now. So like I said, it's been November 2017, so now it's February 2019. So it's been a year and 3 months. And my hair's grown pretty good, I think. It's okay. I'm still struggling with some breakage on the ends, and my hair is like acting, to me it's acting crazy. I'm just not used to it acting like this. But also I went from doing my hair all the time to barely doing my hair. So that's definitely something I want to get back to. Anyway, back to the length check. So in the front of my hair was 8.5 inches. So that's like from right here down. I didn't measure the middle of my hair, but I would suspect that it's around the same length as the very front, which was 8.5 inches. My sides were around 6 inches. I think this side was like 6 inches. This side was like 5.5 or 5 3/4. And then the back of my hair was 4 inches. Maybe. I think it was, I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, it was around 4.5 inches. So, most people's hair, if you don't know about hair growth, it usually grows about 1/4 to 1/2 inch a month. So I'll do the calculation and put it on the screen of basically what my maximum hair growth it could have been and what my hair growth was actually. So like I said, I haven't been taking the best care of my hair. I haven't been doing my hair on the regular, making sure it's wet, making sure it's moisturized. I just recently got back in the habit of constantly spraying my hair with water and oil and touching it, you know. It's not even every day, because I really just took twist out of my hair at the end of this past weekend. Twisting my hair in the wintertime is super easy. It's cold where I live here in Maryland. It's cold in the winter, so having my hair wet is just not the best decision to go out and then, you know, it'd be like 10-15 degrees and then my hair just freeze while it's on my head. Like, yeah, it's possible. So it's just not the best idea. So I really like having twist in. Also, while I'm working out a lot, I like having twist in. But there are other styles I can do. For example, this is one of my favorite styles to do. I am a fully grown 30-year-old woman, and I love to wear pigtails or puff tails or whatever you want to call them. I really enjoy this style. I think it looks cute on my face. So but it's simple, it's easy for me, it works for when I'm going to work. It also works for me working out often. All I have to do is tie it down with a scarf at night, and it works for me and it stays nice. So that's important. And also, I'm a mom of 2. I'm also a wife. I have things that I have to get accomplished. And it's just a little bit harder for me now than it was about 3 years ago for me to constantly do my hair. So, but I'm going to figure out a routine that works for me for sure. I want to grow my hair back out. Looking at my old videos, I definitely have some hair envy of my own, of myself. And I miss my long braid outs.
I just love those long braid outs. They were just beautiful. Anyway,
we're gonna get back there. So that's my update, or my hair update. I'm gonna continue growing my hair out, continue giving you guys updates and showing you what I'm doing. If you want to know the products that I'm using and stuff like that, you can leave me a comment down below. I don't use a lot of products because I'm transitioning to being a minimalist. If you're interested in those videos, they'll be linked down below as well. Doing a lot of decluttering minimalist videos these days. It's just something I'm really interested in doing and applying to my life. So yeah. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for the notification so you don't miss any videos from me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.